Okay, so I'm back with another Instagram tutorial. I know how much you all love Instagram. Now this time I want to show you my favorite scheduler for planning out a feed. And the reason I really love this particular scheduler is it's because it's the only one that I found that shows your feed with IGTV. There's nothing more annoying, in my opinion, than finding a scheduler and trying to plan your feed, and then you upload everything and you realize you can't see IGTV on your preview. So I'm gonna hop into this tutorial and show you how I plan my feed for Instagram. Here we go. So this is the Plan app, and I'm using it on my phone, but you can use it on desktop on the internet, or you can use it on your mobile device. So as you can see here, you see all of the images from my Instagram feed. If it has an Instagram square or icon in the corner, that means it's already on Instagram. Otherwise, you can upload a picture here just to see how it will look and be able to plan it out for the feed. So again, you can see IGTV here, which is nice. I actually use Canva to design the layout of my feed, meaning what I want it to look like, what's going to come next after each picture. So just to give you an idea, I know where videos will go, so videos are zigzagged across my feed, and then in between I have pictures and infographics and mixed media to break up those videos. So this is how I visualize and get a clear image of what I want my feed to actually look like, and then I go back into Plan and I use that to know what will come next. So in Canva, I created little just text boxes, Instagram size, so that I can upload them into Plan just to know inside of Plan what's scheduled to come next. And what's also nice about Plan, you can also save your captions here as well as all of your hashtags. So again, check it out. Plan's a really great way to plan out the visual look of your Instagram feed with IGTV images. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial using Plan to plan out your Instagram feed. If you want some more free tools and free schedulers so that you can choose the best one that works for you, regardless if it's for Facebook, for Instagram, or LinkedIn, whatever it may be, comment below and I will give you a guide that tells you the features, the pricing, and compare all of the best social schedulers out there so you don't have to guess. So just comment below and I will get that to you.